At the moment, the cryptocurrency market is experiencing a great deal of confusion. Numerous individuals are experiencing a state of fear and rapidly selling their XRP Ripple currency. Believing me, however, this is a very serious error. It is possible that the case between Ripple and the SEC may be resolved this month, according to a number of experts, crypto analysts, and even the CEO of Ripple himself. What a cool thing, isn't it? In addition to this, they are discussing the possibility of XRP Ripple reaching a value of $131. I have never seen a more positive signal than that. Make sure you don't miss a single second of it. I hereby defer.
Ripple Labs is responsible for the development of the digital currency known as XRP Ripple.
Has become a topic of intense interest among the cryptocurrency world, primarily as a result of the current legal struggle that it is engaged in with the Securities and Exchange Regulation. Despite the cloud of uncertainty that the lawsuit has cast over the future of XRP, many experts and traders continue to be positive about its future and forecast a major surge after the dust from the lawsuit has settled. Following the peak that it reached in 2018, XRP is currently going through a correction phase, as stated by the cryptocurrency analyst, the Ripple Effect. Based on this technical analysis, it appears that the cryptocurrency is currently undergoing a period of adjustment, and once the correction is complete, there is the possibility that large price swings will occur. On the other hand, the Ripple Effect draws attention to a potential danger that is on the horizon, a large triangular pattern breakdown that has the potential to cause a strong sell-off in the event that the weekly closing of XRP goes below 42 cents. According to the statistics provided by CryptoRank, the current price of XRP is approximately 43 cents, indicating a little increase over the course of the previous 24 hours. Despite this upswing, the overall trend is still bearish, as evidenced by the fact that XRP dropped by 8% in the month of July. This negative trajectory is reflective of the general attitude throughout the market. On the other hand, there are analysts who anticipate that the outcome of the SEC action may result in a possible increase in price. In a recent tweet, Colin Brown mentioned that big Ripple news is on the way. A settlement in the matter between the SEC and XRP is soon to be reached, which is a sentiment that is shared by many members of the XRP community. Similarly, the popular expectation that the legal struggle will result in a favorable resolution is reflected in the tweet that was sent out by Trader Girl, which stated, "Time for the XRP settlement and switch." The lawsuit that Ripple filed against the SEC has been a crucial element in determining how the market has responded to XRP. When we look to the future, we anticipate that the conclusion of the dispute between Ripple and the SEC will be a defining milestone for XRP. XRP might be propelled into a historic rebound if a favorable settlement is reached, which would allow it to break away from its present bearish trend. Despite the fact that the timing is yet unknown, there is a tangible abundance of optimism among the community, with many people looking forward to a more promising future for XRP. It is only going to get more exciting from here on out, in light of the impending decision in the court case. Experts have been doing in-depth analysis of the charts in order to identify indications that may indicate the presence of enormous chances. Believe me, you won't want to miss out on this opportunity. The hints that they have discovered could very well be the bullish signal that you have been looking for all along. The ongoing legal struggle between XRP and the SEC has, without a question, cast a lengthy shadow over the cryptocurrency's performance. Nevertheless, in the middle of the unpredictability, buzzwords have been circulating about the possibility of an explosive rally. These buzzwords have been fed by technical indicators and expert analysis. One of the most well-known figures in the cryptocurrency community is Jack the Rippler. The insane optimism that is shared by some XRP supporters was captured in a tweet that was just sent out, which stated that XRP may grow again over 30,000% from its present values. The tweet by Edo Farina, which reads, "XRP FOMO starts at $10, adds to the excitement by implying that a fear of missing out might drive prices even higher after key thresholds are breached. There is a definite sense of expectation, but which specific factors are contributing to these bullish sentiments?" Bollinger Bands, a method for technical analysis that is used to forecast volatility and anticipated market changes, are responsible for producing one of the most appealing signals. Recently, the great Matsby, who is an experienced technical analyst, brought attention to the fact that the Bollinger Bands of XRP have tightened to levels that have never been seen before. As far as the great Matsby is concerned, the current pressure on XRP is among the most challenging in the entire history of the cryptocurrency asset. In February of 2017, the XRP Bollinger registered tight squeeze on the monthly chart. This was the last time any such hard squeeze was observed. During the month of February, the price of XRP was less than 1 cent at the time. In a remarkable turn of events, after this squeeze, the market experienced a meteoric rise, which culminated in the all-time high price of XRP, which reached approximately $4 in January of 2018. The Bollinger Bands are expected to replicate this historic squeeze, and analysts like the renowned Matsby anticipated to replicate this historic squeeze, and analysts like the renowned Matsby anticipate another enormous upsurge. This signified a rise of approximately 60,000% in a single year. XRP has dropped by 40% from its yearly high of 74 cents as a result of the crash of Bitcoin and selling pressure in the German government and MTGOX. This is despite the fact that the market as a whole is experiencing a bearish trend. Bollinger bands that are getting tighter are a hint that a shift may be coming. The extraordinary Matsby makes the observation that the market has the potential to become more volatile if the Bollinger band squeeze is tightened. Taking everything into consideration, it appears like XRP may be on the verge of seeing a significant price movement, with the consolidation period serving as a propulsion mechanism for future increases. On the basis of a wide variety of technical indicators, a number of different projections have emerged. For instance, market watcher Igrag determined that the price of XRP should be $17 this month, citing his bent fork pattern as the reason for his decision. The block bull predicted that the price of XRP will increase by 6,000% in comparison to Bitcoin, equivalent to a price of $25 for XRP currently. It is important to note that if XRP were to grab even half of the 60,000% rise that occurred in 2017, it would skyrocket to $131, representing a price increase of almost 29,000%. This lofty objective is not likely to be accomplished, but there is widespread agreement that there will be a significant increase in prices in the near future. It would be a mistake to overlook the newly formed partnerships. Almost all of the partners abandoned Ripple when the case was initially filed against them. But at this point, everyone is eager to make advantage of their groundbreaking technologies. This bullish indication is so strong that it cannot be denied. First, let's consider each one in turn. It is because of this that XRP Ripple coin stands out among other cryptocurrencies because of the distinctive way in which it facilitates international money transfers and payments. By utilizing blockchain technology and digital assets, Ripple's technology is able to facilitate nearly instantaneous international transactions at a fraction of the cost of traditional banking systems, which are dependent on processes that are both slow and expensive. And because of its efficiency, it is especially tempting to financial organizations who are looking to streamline their operations and decrease their costs. In the event that Ripple's technology is adopted on a global scale, it may have significant beneficial effects for XRP. Ripple's solutions are being integrated by an increasing number of financial institutions and payment providers, which has led to a surge in the demand for XRP tokens, which are used to support liquidity and transaction settlement. The value of XRP could potentially increase as a result of this demand, which would be beneficial to holders and investors. Those who possess XRP recognize that the significance of Ripple's success extends beyond the financial benefits it brings. This is opening the way for a financial environment that is more egalitarian and efficient, and Ripple is questioning the rules that are now in place. This new development has the potential to revolutionize the way money is transferred around the world by making transactions more expedient, less expensive, and more open to scrutiny. Recent occurrences provide further evidence of Ripple's expanding influence and increased relevance. Ripple's rising impact in both the cryptocurrency and traditional finance sectors is highlighted by partnerships with key institutions such as South Korea for the purpose of crafting crypto legislation, Apple for satellite-enabled